Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Nitty Cryptos and Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim free Alibaba token. I'm going to show you how to claim free 2 million Alibaba token to your Trust wallet with instant withdrawal to your Trust wallet. All you need to do is just your Trust wallet, Binance Smart Chain for gas fee. Okay, that's all you need to do right now. So don't go nowhere. Watch this video to the very end for you to understand how to go about that, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Get me to 1k subscribers, guys. Thanks. I need you to get me to 1k subscribers. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's start. All you need to do, just copy. I'll drop all the details in my description down below, where you'll be able to copy the airdrop link and you paste it to your tab browser. So let's get started. This is my Trust wallet. I just unlocked my Trust wallet right now. Okay, this is it. I just unlocked my Trust wallet, and then you locate where that browser is. You locate where that browser is. You can see there, that browser. Then after that, you click on that browser. You click on search. Make sure you have copied the link already from the description down below. Make sure you have copied it already. Then you click on done. You need to change your Ethereum to the smart chain for you to be able to access the website, because the token is built on Binance Smart Chain, not ERC20. So we're going to change it right now. See, we change it to Smart Chain. We change it to Smart Chain right now. Still loading, still loading, still loading. Okay, here is it. Alibaba shares market. This is where you'll be able to claim their token and everything. You can read all the details you need to know from them. You can see active Alibaba token on sales, active airdrop and pre-sales end in 37 days. And sometimes it might end before the 37 days happen. So you just have to be fast about this. You just have to claim as many as you want in your Trust wallet. So buy Alibaba token, minimum buy is 0.01 BNB. Max buy is 5 BNB. But we are airdrop hunters, okay? I will not advise anybody to buy any token or invest your money. But if you like and you feel like okay, you want to invest, you can invest at your own risk. And don't forget to do your own research well before investing in any token or any airdrop. Okay, so if you want to buy, the minimum buy is 0.01, and you click on buy, or you just want to claim the airdrop only. Airdrop, claim the airdrop, the 2 million Alibaba token in launch 2000 million, 2 million Alibaba token worth $100. So after the launch, the 2 million token will worth $100. So that means there's still that you can claim more than that if you want. So if you want to add to the MetaMask wallet, if you are using MetaMask wallet, this is how you're going to do it here. So let's come down to this referral generating. Like if you want to generate more referral link to refer your friends, families, or someone around you, or your friends online, or stuff like that. So you need to copy your BSC address, your smart chain address from your Trust wallet. You need to copy your BSC address and you paste it here. Okay, hold on. You copy your address. You copy your address. I say okay. You copy your address from Binance Smart Chain. Copy your address from Binance Smart Chain. Receive. You copy your address. Then you come back to the that browser. You click on Alibaba. You click on the website again. So after you have done that, then you put your address here. After you put your address, then you click on get referral link. This is how you're going to do it. Don't copy first. You need to click on the get referral link, and that's where the link will be generated. You just have to click on referral link first before you can copy. Okay, so after that you click on copy. You click on copy. You see it now. You can see copy successful. You can see right now. So if I want to share, I'm going to use this one to refer you guys to this website right here. And once you copy, you paste it in your Trust Wallet tab browsers. So this is how you're going to do it. Then let's get started to the airdrop page. Let's get started to the airdrop page. So if you want to claim the airdrop, this is where you're going to claim. You can see it here. If you want to claim airdrop, this is the airdrop one. If you want to claim airdrop, or if you want to buy the token, this one is for the token. For the pre-sale. Buy Alibaba token. Okay, this is how you're going to do it. Just if you want, just I will advise you guys to just focus on the airdrop only, and let's wait for the token to launch and see what's going to happen. Okay, so you click on claim of the airdrop. Hold on, before you claim the airdrop, kindly subscribe. I need 1 minute 1 seconds of your time to subscribe to this video. Share with your friends and families. Okay, like, subscribe, comment if you have any issue. I'm here to help you out. Thank you guys. So I'm still waiting for you to subscribe right now. Just 1 seconds of your time. Okay, thanks. Okay, let's get started. Then you click on the head.
Over here is where I'm going to be claiming it. I'll click on it. Then I will be asked to connect my wallet. So what I will do, I will come over to connect here. Now click on connect. A smart contract will be initiated. Now you can see this token is charging 0.00.
This is how you're going to do it. Okay, I just stop from there, and you can see the gas fee. If you want to change the gas fee, you want to make the gas fee lower, then you click on the setting options right here. Then you change the 8 to 6. You change the 8 to 6. Okay, that's how you're going to do it, and you click on save. You click on save. You can see now the gas fee has been reduced a little bit if you want to claim. So this is how you're going to do it, and you click on approve. You click on approve. You click on approve. But if the approve doesn't show, that means you need enough gas fee for you to carry out the transaction. The total fee you're going to pay is $1.41. That means the max total is 1.54. So we are waiting. Let's wait for the final verification. Then after that, once you are done with the claiming of the airdrop, you copy their smart contract address. You copy the smart contract address. That's what you're going to use to get the token to your Trust wallet. Okay, that's what we're going to use. So this is smart contract address. This is what we're going to copy right now. You can see. That's what you're going to copy. You click on this side. You can see right now. Just click on it. And then you copy. So now going back to your Trust wallet. Go back to your Trust wallet. Click on search token. Paste the address. You paste the address there. Then add custom token. That's how you're going to do it. Just follow all the steps I'm showing you guys. You change the network to BSC to smart chain. Okay. Paste the address to bring out the name right now. You can see Alibaba, Ali, Decimal 18, and everything you need to do. It will just bring it out once when you choose the right network. Okay, then you click on done. Have you seen it right now? Have you seen it? So this is it. This is 2 million Ali token in my wallet right here. It's instant withdraw token. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'll keep you updated when the token will be available to swap to BNB or BUSD or any token of your choice, so that you can withdraw to your Binance account or FTS account, and then you can just withdraw to use money to do anything you wish to do. Okay, that's all guys. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Love you. See you next video.